Of all the places I've been, here I found a home. A place that I discovered from the heart of the Philippines. Somewhere I could run to. Somewhere that I always wanted to go back. With through outstanding nature waiting for you to see, in which I found silence, peace, and this is my sanctuary. The Philippines. February 20th, I flew from Bangkok, Thailand, traveling while having issues on COVID-19 virus on medias, but nothing can stop me from traveling.
Welcome back to the Philippines. We're going to Iloilo, then we'll be transferring going to Guimaras Island. One more plane to go. A while ago it's Cebu Pacific, now it's Air Asia. So the flight from Manila to Iloilo will take about 1 hour.
Just arrive at Iloilo International Airport.
Normally, those people were gonna ask you for taxi, but this time we're going to take a van.
On the van, there you will pay 50 pesos. Ride will take you about half an hour. Van will drop you to SM Mall. You'll see jeepney's card going to Plaza Libertad. The payment is 10 pesos and the ride approximately 10 minutes to drop point going to Ortiz Raf, the boat pier.
The jeepney will drop you from here along with the ang dating daan, so you'll see like a old house. I think I need to get the cash from China Bank first because I don't think at the island have a bank or some. Well, I got some cash with me and bought something from 7-Eleven. Now I am riding sidecar, so there he will take me to the pier. This only costs 10 pesos. Very cheap, yeah. Thank you. This is the ticketing section. Pay for 22 pesos. And then write your name here. Safety first. Now we are heading to Guimaras for 15 minutes. Foreign OFW and tourists this way. So in the Philippines, you'll have the health declaration checklist for all travelers. This is like their screening. Ayan. Mahigpit sila dito sa Guimaras. That's nice. At least we're protected at any cost. Thank you. Thank you so much. Okay, so we reached Guimaras Island. I'm so sorry. I thought that there's no ATM. They have land bank. They have ATM which you can withdraw some funds. I'm going to ride the jeepney. Whew. So this is the jeepney from Pandaraunan, and we're going to drop at Dolores Crossing. From Dolores Crossing, there we will be having the habal-habal. You will pay here for 40 pesos. This is around 1 hour and a half. So it's quite a long way to go to reach the Nature's Eye Resort. But at least you can see the nature. Thank you, Kuya. Salamat. 50 pesos I pay. I reached the gate of Nature's Eye Resort. So when you walk there, it says Nature's Eye Resort this way. And after this signage, down here, the entrance is 20 pesos. Baba tayo. Oh my God, ang ganda. Ang ganda ng sand, white sand. At napakalambot, walang ganong bato. 20 pesos lang ang entrance. At solong-solo mo ang dagat. Hawakan natin kung gaano kalamig yung tubig o gaano kainit. Oh, the waters look warm. Nice. Very nice. If you're really looking for a secret beach by yourself or with somebody, Nature's Eye Resort is really the best. You just have to pay 20 pesos for this beach. But since I still have my bag, we're going to the resort first. Mag-hi ka.
Hello!
Ayan si Ate Selfa. You know what she did? She cooked for us. Wow. Oh, curry, right?
Chicken curry.
And 2 special rice. So we have a very nice meal tonight. And say hi, Norman.
Hi.
He's the designer of Nature's Eye Resort. Oh, I salute you. And we have another one here. Grilled fish. Yun, lapu-lapu, right? Charap. Super. Itong fish. Tsaka yan, curry. Super sarap. Good morning! Oh, gosh. Ang sarap matulog. Oh, you can never tell how much I wanted to sleep here. And then you will see this view in the morning. Like oh, beachfront. Right now I'm going to prepare for breakfast and we'll do some island hopping today. So that's a part of the package that they have here at Nature's Eye Resort. So come on, let's eat. I have danggit in omelette with rice. Thank you so much. Here's Mang Dodoy, our boatman.
Hi! Welcome po dito sa Nature Eye po. Dito po maganda sa Nature Eye po. Magandang resort po ito. Yung boatman po, Dodoy po ang yung pangalan ko po. Ako yung nag-island napping sa mga guest ng Nature Eye po.
Never saw you. You saw me back and I felt new. Please don't be shy. I know that you feel like me too. Don't be afraid. Baby, give me your hand now and I just wanna go with you anywhere. I feel like I'm not awake. I wish you could take me away, but nothing will happen today. I just want you to say, are you, are you, are you, are you, are you, are you, baby, I just want you to say, are you, are you, are you, are you, are you, are you, baby, I just want you to say.
We are here at Payong Payong Cave, one of the tourist attraction here in Guimaras. As you see, you can take a lot of good spot, good photo, and here on this side, and then the other one on the umbrella side.
Never saw you. You saw me back and I fell new. Please don't be shy. I know that you feel like me too. Don't be afraid. Give me your love, baby. Give me your hand now, and I just wanna go with you anywhere. I feel like I'm not awake. I wish you could take me away, but nothing will happen today. Give me love, give me up, give me all you can. I feel like I'm not awake. I wish you could take me away, but nothing will happen today. Baby, I just want you to say, are you, are you, are you, are you, are you, are you?
Here is just until here. See, walang bato. And it's really nice. To swim here.
Baby, I just want you to say, are you, are you, are you, baby, I just want you to say, are you, baby, I just want you to say.
Guys, if you're going here to Guimaras, just a piece of advice, please get the trash with you. Kasi you have to take care of the nature. Don't leave anything like this here. We're here at Balas Balabag. This is their sandbar. It's amazing. You're just the only one who will be here. If you really want to have like a private place of your own, like a honeymoon type of, or dating or something like that, I really recommend Guimaras, especially in this place. What I like the most is that you have your private beach here. Even the water is very clear. But this is a rocky beach, but then you're still going to enjoy the beach. Ang sarap. If you're looking for sunbathing, look at the rock formation out there. It's very much Palawan. Ang ganda ng Guimaras, I swear. We're here at Tacloban Island, and all tourists are required to pay for 80 pesos only because they are preserving this. Okay, a part of the tour is you're going here to the boardwalk mangrove. So you will be seeing this amazing nature with the sound of birds and this beautiful mangroves. It's really big. They're really preserving it very well. I think this is one of the highlights in Guimaras. In Tacloban Island, you can also go to the watchtower, and that's what we're going to do. We'll be doing a little trek here, and if you see, oh my gosh, you can. This place is just for me. I'm the only tourist here, and they're very nice here. They really protect this part of the island very much. And Kuya Dodoy is one of the best tour guide that I have. And if you're going here to the Nature's Eye Resort, and he will be the one accommodating you. He'll be explaining a lot of things to you, and you will learn more about Guimaras Island. So I prefer that you book him. Good morning! And this is my last day here in Guimaras. Today I'm going to watch for the sunrise. Some part of my Guimaras tour had rain, so I wasn't able to capture it. But I've heard that they have a nice sunrise. And this is it. So much for watching on my YouTube episodes. Hope you're going to subscribe, like, and share, comment, and please add me on my Facebook page, same name, B. Bernabe, and you can write me some suggestions, comments, inquiries, and all about the travel. I suggest that you go here in Guimaras, the Philippines. We have one of the best islands in the world. Thank you so much for watching, and goodbye. Vamonos!